letter J and the letter K. We're going to do beginning sounds. We have an uppercase J, J, and a lowercase j. They look a lot alike, except for this one. The lowercase has a dot on the top, like an I. And we have an uppercase K and a lowercase k, and they look a lot alike too. We have our pictures. So the first picture I have is a picture of a jacket. Jacket. The word jacket starts with a J, jacket. So I'm going to put the jacket, picture of the jacket by our J. Now I have a picture of a kangaroo. Kangaroo. It starts with a K, kangaroo. Kangaroo will go by the K. Here I have a picture of a king. A king. Starts with a K. Ing. Oh, there's that ing. Ing. King. Oops, this way. Now I have a picture of a jar. Jar. And here's the word jar. 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 A picture of a kite. Kite. And here's the word kite. 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 Put it with a K. Here's a couple of girls jumping. Jump. So here starts with a J. Jump. Jump. So I'm going to put it with the other J's. Here's another one of a key. Key starts with K. Key. Put it with the kite and the king and the key. And then we have one picture that's a little boy and he's juggling. Juggling. So we have the word juggle. 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 And so I'm going to put it with the other J words. We have juggle, jump, jar, and jacket for the J. And now for the K, we have kite, key, king, and kangaroo. That's all for today. Hope you guys are doing great. I miss you a lot.